Anyways, guys, so we're getting ready right now.
Yum!
Look at our outfits. What do you guys think? This top or the pink one?
Right, this.
Unlimited skips and replays and all of the ad-free music you
I'm digging the pink actually. I like the pink.
So, I'm about to. Honestly, y'all need to see me prop my face. But.
Never.
Is that how you do it? Oh. Don't trip.
Never.
Goodbye. I wish for edges. Never. Edges.
I don't know the lyrics.
I know me. Cause no, I don't want your number. No. 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 Bye. Follow me. Are you riding? Say you never had to leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. About to contour.
Yes, that's lit because I really need contour because my face is so fat. Oh, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Except I don't know how to do it.
I have another palette too. Oh, girl. Barbie's makeup is not perfect. Sure. Alright, guys. So, all I did was about to add some more. I used some of this Glossier cloud paint. And so now I'm using Juvias, and I'm using this brown color Zulu on my eyes. Guys, y'all know I suck at doing eyelashes. So I just got some cheap beauty supply lashes, mink lash inspired. I don't know how this is gonna work out. This is the Luxe by Envy, and this is ball gown. I'm just keep. Yeah. Once again, guys, I suck at lyrics.
So,
what's up, guys? Okay,
out here. So, what had happened was,
oh my
this
God,
girl doesn't know how to read, so she gave
I gave the right direction. I mean, the right address.
The wrong address.
No, the first time I did, then I'm like,
then
okay.
you switched it to 9.
Yeah, because I'm like, okay.
And it's not. It's definitely 7.
Look, I'm
so
sorry.
now we just have to walk back. Long story short, she gave the wrong address, so then we got dropped off at the wrong place, and now we're walking to the actual place. It's just like a mess.
But people are giving us compliments. They think we're cute.
Yeah, these people are seeing us like on the way there.
Cute
so
beach shop.
They're super cute. But we look super cute because our makeup looks
super duper cute.
I did this myself, and I am no makeup artist. I am no makeup artist. I'm looking here, and it's weird because I'm supposed to be looking here.
I keep doing the same thing.
What do you guys think? Did I do that or not?
This light right here. Oh,
This is it.
Okay.
This lighting is it.
It definitely.
Oh my god.
Wait, we're looking at the wrong place.
Right. Yeah, I'm about to take a snap.
Guys, we are here. We're in the bathroom taking pictures. What up, though? Hey, hey, hey.